Me. Nanny. Fun.
Hi, today we're going to play this called plusplus puzzle. You can make anything you want, but today we should show you how easy it is to make a small fire and play a tiny animal rescue game. This is the fire we are going to make. Let's begin by putting two puzzles together like this. And then put one more on it, like this. Now it looks like the core of the fire. Now we need a lot of red puzzles. Put them together to form a fire shape. Now it does look like a fire, but this fire can't stand up, so, what should we do? We'll make some legs for it. This is leg 1. And this is the second leg. And this is the third leg, so now it can stand up without falling. Tiger. Rabbit. Cheetah. Lion. Elephant. Dog. Okay, now the animals are in danger. Let's rescue them by putting out the fire.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon to get new video updates. See you in the next video.